comes with the achievement. We almost completed Panchakarma process. Actually, we completed it. Today it's a 9th day and we have to eat khichdi with vegetables. Why? Because for last 8 days our digestive fire became a little bit weaker. So if we start eating heavy items, then we may start vomiting and feeling acidity, indigestion. So in order to prepare our body to eat normal food, live normal life, we had to eat khichdi with vegetables. So we don't cook the vegetables separately, but cook everything inside the khichdi and it will become like vegetable khichdi. According to Ayurveda, when we cook things together in one pot, it's easier to digest. So congratulations everyone who went through this process, and hopefully you liked the process, and hopefully you had purification in your body. And please note that this purification may take up to 2-3 months, because especially mental side, you may feel some different hidden emotions coming up from you. So this is the effect of Panchakarma. It goes deeper in your body. And also when it is good to do and how often it's good to do Panchakarma. Ayurveda recommends when season is changing, probably every 6 months it's better to do. And Panchakarma is like a washing, and after that Ayurveda, Dr. Vasant in that book recommends after washing something, then we have to start painting. So Panchakarma is a process of washing, cleaning, and drinking particular Ayurvedic medicines is good for our longevity, long life. So for example, if you are Vata person, then ashwagandha is good. If you take 1 teaspoon of ashwagandha with milk in the morning and in the evening, it will be very good for your health and for your longevity. And if you are a Pitta person, then taking shatavari with milk in the morning and evening, it's very good. And for Kapha, he also recommended something in the book with something with a very difficult name, but please check out his book and you can read yourself. So this was the 9 days. From tomorrow onwards, we'll start eating normal food, and I have to cook some feast for our deities because they didn't eat so many nice foods throughout these days. Probably I have to think maybe pizza, homemade pizza. So congratulations dear devotees, and thank you so much, and thank you so much for your journey with me in this Panchakarma process, and please keep on chanting Hare Krishna and living healthy life.